Let's now use the Discovery tool on the PN Quick Connect project. Notice I've got a green chip on the RX3i indicating I am online, and it indicates here config is equal and logic is equal. I want to go offline to show you that the Discovery tool has nothing to do with being online with the controller. I right-click on the PNC controller and launch the Discovery tool. This is one way to launch it. I only have one LAN, so that is the default LAN selected. I'm going to click on Refresh Device List. It goes out and reads all the Pronet devices, even though non-Pronet devices could be out there. The device name should agree with the device name of the PNC controller. So there, if I bring the inspector over, you'll see that it does agree. And then that was the IO LAN controller. If we go to the VersaMax, we'll see that these names agree. So the IP addresses also agree. If there were errors, it would indicate so. If it was not assigned a device name, IP address, any of those, it would indicate that, and you could actually go in and edit the device. So here's where I could change the IP address if it was wrong. I could change the device name if it was wrong. And then I could also identify the device. Identify the device means it goes out and flashes the light on that device to let you know that that's the device you've selected. So this way you can identify the Pronet devices in the panel or in the field, wherever. And on the VersaMax, it actually goes from bottom to top, a green light flashing like an arrow going from bottom to top. I'm going to stop the identification. Some devices do not have that many lights to flash, but each one has a way to flash to let you know the identity of that device. So this is one way to get into the Discovery tool. Another way is you can go in and right-click and say Manage LANs. They come up at the bottom, and as you can see, the LAN is being managed here. And you could look at the properties, Pronet Discovery and ID configuration. You could update the rate configuration. You could also do a LAN settings report. Update rate report. So this gives you the information you need to know about the update rate on each of these devices, and then the network utilization on each of the devices. So now you notice that I'm offline and the Discovery tool was activated so that you could see that it has nothing to do with the communications with the processor. So I have to be on the Pronet network to use the Discovery tool. So if you just connected to the Ethernet card, if it's not coupled over, jumpered over to the Pronet controller, then you will not be able to use the Discovery tool. You have to be on the Pronet LAN to use it.